Luna, bopa, 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 ifikile boza, barikile bonza. Okay.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here, thank you so much for being a day one. And if you're watching from outside of the club, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. As you can see from the description handle, this video is all about this hair hide me curls for the babies, cause nga emtaneni. Cause nga emtaneni, guys. This hair is from DYHAIR777. The hair came in this bag. The hair came with this little note where it tells you how to take care of the hair. It also tells you how to contact them. Follow them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube to get the latest promotion and new arrivals about new arrivals. That's all you need to know. New arrivals. The sales if you guys want to put yourselves on and get this hair. But yeah, as we go on in the video, I'll drop the details and anything and everything you guys need to know. So yeah, this hair came in this bag and it was also in this bag right here. What had happened was I think the hair comes pre-plugged because I tried to plug it, but I felt like I was ruining it because it was fine the way it was. You will see in the video when I show you the hair before I put it on. But yeah, guys, I would recommend this hair. Like, I would highly recommend this hair, guys. This is a whole thing. It gives you that thing that this is your hair, even though it's not your hair. Like, you know, whereas if it's 4x4, my hair, this hair is nice. This quality is nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, guys, I don't want to waste your time. Mara lampona kile bonza ka bopa ifikile boza barikile bonza. Okay.
Bopa ifikile boza. Okay.
Okay, let me stop being silly. But I love these curls for the babies. This is different. Like, I've always just been doing long straight hair. So for me to be doing this hair today, I am happy. Guys, please continue watching the video. I'll drop the details within the video. I'm just gonna play music at the end. Not at the end, after I tell you the details of the video, I'm just gonna play music for you guys just to relax and watch what I'm doing. Because for me, when I watch hair videos, when they're speaking a lot, I just but when I just watch them do what they're doing, I'm able to recreate it. But like for this hair, I had to watch a whole lot of YouTube videos because curly hair is a lot, you know, styling it and all those things. But once you've styled it, it's the perfect hair. Like, you can just put it on anytime. So yeah, I had to watch a lot of videos, and then I landed on Miss XO's video, and I loved the way she did her curly hair. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to incorporate all the things I've learned while watching the tutorial. And so this is literally for beginners because I literally, guys, I don't even want to come here in front. You guys know me. You guys have seen me in curly hair. And you guys just know I just put it on. I don't even comb or do whatever. So with this hair, I put in the effort for my bonzas. Eluluna, guys. Eluluna, my bonza, guys. So yeah, guys, let's stop blabbing and get into this video. Bye. Guys, this is the hair. Please don't mind the lace front, guys. It has holes in it because I don't know what I was doing. I really don't know what I was doing, but like, luckily I could still be able to wear the hair and so on. I think I was just trying to plug the hair, and then that's when I realized that no, man, this hair is already pre-plugged. What am I doing? So yeah, this is the hair. The hair has 4 combs inside, and it also has an adjustable strap. The details of the hair is a Brazilian deep curly wig. The density is 130. The lace front is transparent, and the wig length is 20 inches. Guys, everything is going to be in my description box. The link to where to buy the hair. Also, if you want to look at their other hair, you can just go on their website. You will have their YouTube details, their Instagram details, their Facebook details, and their Twitter details. This hair is from DYHAIR777, and they also sponsored the video. Thank you so much to DYHAIR777 for sending me this hair. I am so obsessed. I love it, guys. Like, I love it. So yeah, guys, this is where I'm going to leave you guys. I'm just going to play music so you guys can sit back, relax, and learn a thing or two. Also, I'm going to be using some products when I style the curls. The video is fast forwarded, so at the end of the video, I'll be showing you guys properly what I used. So please just stick around so you can see that. And yeah, enjoy, guys. Bye.
I know I messed up. Yeah, I know I did you wrong, but I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect, but at least give me a try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance, yeah baby, try, just one more night, then make up your mind, please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. We used to be strong, love. Don't forget where you're coming from. A heart like that, don't give up that easily. I wanna see you be mad, yeah, get mad at me. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance, yeah baby, try, just one more night, then make up your mind, please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. Try, try, try. Try, try, try. Try, try, try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance, yeah baby, try, just one more night, then make up your mind, please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. Try, try, try. Try, try, try. Try, try, try. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. We used to be fun. You used to care. Darling, we built a home, a life, but now all of that is gone, I fear.
Guys, I know I said I'm done, but I had to come back to explain why I was cutting the hair. I wanted to make it look more natural. Also, I have a similar looking wig in this length, so I just wanted it to be different to the wig that I have already. So yeah, if you are wondering why, that's the reason why.
My dear, I'm leaving the light on if you come back around. I'm holding on until forever. I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away.
And just like that, we are done. Guys, before I go crazy, plus you guys know how crazy I get when I have new hair, let me compose myself and finish this off properly. So I used this Curl Lala from Clicks. I used this container. This is an old container. So in here I mixed water, and it was advised that you mix it with conditioner, but I didn't have conditioner. So I used this hair mayonnaise treatment that I use for my natural hair. And I think it worked. I think it did the things. I don't necessarily think you only need conditioner, but hey, in my next video, whenever I do curly hair, I will try it out with the conditioner and see what the difference is. But yeah, guys, I really struggled. This was literally my first time doing curls, like treating curls, you know, because you guys know me. You know my curly wigs are just always a mess. But with this one, effort was put, and I can see like, Papa. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Everything will be in the description handle down below, the link to where to get the hair, how much the hair is, and so on and so forth. So if you made it here, thank you so much. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.